To check your tire prices at Discount Tire, you can utilize their website. The website address is discounttire.com. You can also contact them by phone at 1-888-918.473. They also offer a price match guarantee which you can access via a link on their website. For Bell Tire, their website is bellatire.com. You can contact them by phone at 1-888-235.5847. Bell Tire also has a price check process available through their store locator on their website. To check your price online, follow these steps. Firstly, visit the price check link for either Discount Tire or Bell Tire. Secondly, enter your tire size and vehicle information. Thirdly, select a location and compare the price with your own. To check your price in store, firstly, visit a Discount Tire or Bell Tire store. Secondly, provide the store associate with your tire size and vehicle information. Thirdly, the associate will check the price and provide you with a quote. Both Discount Tire and Bell Tire offer price match guarantees. Remember to bring in any quotes or receipts you have from other tire stores. Discounts and promotions can vary based on location and availability. It's always a good idea to call ahead or chat online with customer service to confirm prices and availability before visiting a store. The process of checking tire prices involves several key steps, whether you choose to do it online or in person. Understanding these steps will help ensure you get the best possible deal and find the right tires for your vehicle. Firstly, let's discuss the online method. The initial step is to visit the price check link for either Discount Tire or Bell Tire. This is typically found on their website, often within the promotions or services sections. These links are specifically designed to guide you through the price comparison process. Secondly, once you are on the price check page, you will need to enter your tire size and vehicle information. The tire size is usually found on the sidewall of your current tires. It is a combination of numbers and letters, such as 225/65R17. The vehicle information includes the make, model, and year of your car. This information is crucial because different vehicles require different tire sizes and specifications. Thirdly, after entering the necessary details, the website will prompt you to select a location. This is important because prices and availability can vary from store to store. Once you have selected a location, the website will display the prices for various tires that fit your vehicle. You can then compare these prices with your own research or quotes from other tire stores. Moving on to the in-store method, firstly, you need to visit a Discount Tire or Bell Tire store. It's a good idea to find the store closest to you for convenience. Secondly, once you are in the store, locate a store associate and provide them with your tire size and vehicle information. Just as with the online method, this information is essential for the associate to find the correct tires for your vehicle. Thirdly, the associate will use their system to check the price of the tires and provide you with a quote. This quote will include the cost of the tires, as well as any applicable taxes or fees. Remember that both Discount Tire and Bell Tire offer price match guarantees. This means that if you find a low price for the same tires at another store, they will match that price. To take advantage of this, be sure to bring in any quotes or receipts you have from other tire stores. The price match guarantee can save you a significant amount of money, so it's always worth doing your research and comparing prices. Keep in mind that discounts and promotions can vary based on location and availability. Some stores may offer special deals or discounts that are not available at other locations. Additionally, the availability of certain tires may also vary depending on the store. For these reasons, it's always a good idea to call ahead or chat online with customer service to confirm prices and availability before visiting a store. This will save you time and ensure that you are getting the most accurate information. Checking tire prices can be a time-consuming process, but it's important to do your research and compare prices before making a purchase. By following these steps and taking advantage of price match guarantees, you can ensure that you are getting the best possible deal on your tires. In addition to the steps outlined above, there are a few other factors to consider when checking tire prices. Firstly, think about the type of tires you need. Different types of tires are designed for different driving conditions. For example, all-season tires are a good choice for year-round use, while winter tires are designed for optimal performance in snow and ice. Secondly, consider the brand of tires you prefer. Some brands are known for their quality and durability, while others are more affordable. Researching different brands can help you find the best tires for your needs and budget. Thirdly, think about the tread pattern of the tires. The tread pattern affects the tire's grip and handling. Some tread patterns are designed for optimal performance in wet conditions, while others are designed for quiet and comfortable rides. Lastly, consider the load index and speed rating of the tires. The load index indicates the maximum weight the tire can carry, while the speed rating indicates the maximum speed at which the tire can be driven. Make sure the tires you choose have a load index and speed rating that are appropriate for your vehicle. When checking tire prices, it's important to compare the total cost, including taxes, fees, and any additional services such as installation or balancing. Some stores may offer lower prices on tires but charge more for these additional services. Be sure to get a clear breakdown of all the costs before making a decision. It's also a good idea to read reviews of different tires before making a purchase. Online reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance, durability, and comfort of different tires. Look for reviews from other drivers who have similar vehicles and driving conditions as you. Checking tire prices and finding the right tires for your vehicle can seem like a daunting task, but by following these steps and doing your research, you can make an informed decision and get the best possible deal. Remember to take advantage of price match guarantees. Call ahead to confirm prices and availability, and consider all the factors that are important to you, such as tire type, brand, tread pattern, load index, and speed rating. By taking the time to do your homework, you can ensure that you are getting the best tires for your needs and budget. When considering tire prices and making a purchase, it's also important to factor in the long-term cost of ownership. This includes the cost of tire rotations, balancing, and other maintenance services. Regular tire maintenance can help extend the life of your tires and improve their performance. Tire rotations involve moving the tires from one position on the vehicle to another. This helps to ensure that the tires wear evenly, which can extend their lifespan. Tire balancing involves adjusting the weight distribution of the tires. This can help to reduce vibrations and improve the ride quality. In addition to tire rotations and balancing, it's also important to check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can wear out more quickly and reduce fuel efficiency. Overinflated tires can provide a harsher ride and reduce grip. The recommended tire pressure for your vehicle is usually found on a sticker inside the driver's side door or in the owner's manual. When checking tire prices, it's also worth considering purchasing a tire protection plan. These plans typically cover the cost of repairing or replacing tires that are damaged by road hazards such as potholes, nails, or glass. Tire protection plans can provide peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses. Before purchasing a tire protection plan, be sure to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions. Some plans may have exclusions or limitations that you should be aware of. Another factor to consider when checking tire prices is the warranty offered by the manufacturer. Most tires come with a limited warranty that covers defects in materials or workmanship. The warranty period can vary depending on the brand and type of tire. Before purchasing tires, be sure to read the warranty information and understand what is covered. In addition to checking tire prices at Discount Tire and Bell Tire, it's also a good idea to compare prices at other tire stores and online retailers. This will help you ensure that you are getting the best possible deal. Online retailers often offer lower prices than brick and mortar stores, but you may have to pay for shipping. Be sure to factor in the cost of shipping when comparing prices. When shopping for tires online, it's important to choose a reputable retailer that offers a good return policy. This will protect you in case you are not satisfied with your purchase. Checking tire prices is an important part of maintaining your vehicle. By taking the time to do your research and compare prices, you can ensure that you are getting the best tires for your needs and budget. Remember to consider all the factors that are important to you, such as tire type, brand, tread pattern, load index, speed rating, and warranty. By making an informed decision, you can ensure that you are getting the best possible value for your money.